Yo, what's up? What's up? So I'm gonna go over my trade I took today. I took a couple trades and a little bit more than usual. I was trying to keep the two trade, three trade theme, but look, last week I took a lot of trades. This week I took a lot of trades. But let's go over. So what I did, I took one L, took a short, and I want to go over why I took the short. What the fuck? Why is it right there? So, see the short at 10:05. There you go. 10:05. The placement kind of sucked, but I saw this big candle, which was an emotional candle. They were trying. They weren't ready, and they were accumulating here. And in the morning, I wrote in my journal. I wrote right here. Right here, let's pre-market stuff, trades, yada yada yada. I was looking for the sweep. Watch. So I marked out this level on the hour time frame from a while ago. Here, this area was like untested, and I marked it out this morning, and I figured it's gonna take this out. It's either gonna come up here somewhere, and it came up right to my level, bro. Watch, because I marked out this. I think, yeah, see, I saw this. Saw this. It came up to that level and instantly just boom. But I was waiting for news. Waited 10, came up. Could have marked that out and waited for a break, not take longs, whatever. So that's a good observation. I could have done that. Mark this out. Once it passed here, then look for longs. And then it was ranging here. Past this, look for shorts, but this candle just flew. Look at this. It's like a, see? So it had no chance to come up. Came all the way down to that level that I marked out. Used that area like support, resistance. Well, no, more like resistance, because it just blew past support, resistance area, and then boom, another dip. I figured it was ready for. It was trying yesterday. It was accumulating. Just imagine the big dogs. They're accumulating here positions, accumulating, and then fucking just dump it. It'll come back and balance itself out, hopefully. But it did move almost to 800. It was right here, 9, say 800. It didn't quite reach 800. Let's see. 790, 795, 800, round up. And right now it's at, yeah, it's like 160, 100. It's a lot of points. Just boom. Which was pretty cool. Pretty good move. Really good move. So I called it out. Let me see my first trade. Yeah, it was a loss. Okay. The second trade, long, which was all right, but I saw that they weren't gonna go. I should have known from there. Like, hey, this is invalidated. Excuse me, but I don't want to blame it on the instructors, and I'm not going to blame it on the instructors, but always follow your gut, follow your instinct, and look, higher low, big higher low, big higher low. I mean, higher, got a high, lower high, lower high, equal high, lower high dump. So there wasn't any like there wasn't anything showing that the buyers wanted to go up. Look, low, lower, lower, higher, lower, middle of the same area. Man, it's clear as day what they were doing. And you can see, okay, the next trade, I took a short. All these entries sucked. So, it was the only good thing is that I was managing my risk, not taking crazy losses, small losses. So was it more trades than necessary? Yeah. Was it? Look at this, long. Why did I? This was like chase. This was chasing. Look, Zell says it perfectly. Short trades, high frequency, fast reaction. Let's identify what triggered that behavior. It was it was an ego thing wanting to be right. I'm still good on the month, on the week. I did want to pass, did want to do that, but it's okay. Next week is good. Study up, relax, rest for next week. So let me I just want to go over this real quick. Let's see. Yeah, look, came up, trap buyers, should have seen that. Boom, sellers, imbalance. Did not go above that imbalance. It was just there, and sellers just dumped it. Man, that was cool. At least I saw it, and good learning experience. Trap buyers. I need to see that down here, right? And I didn't. Here, look at this big delta. Came up, didn't come up, didn't do anything after that. Came up again, and it dumped after that. I think what happened here was he got out of his position or something, right? But it's a good learning experience. Good. I'm seeing it now in hindsight, and right, big volume. Look, big volume, nothing. Big volume. They tried again, selling. I hear big volume. They're trying. They're not trying as much there, but they're trying here. They're trying here and nothing. They're just getting fucking absorbed. Here, they try here. Find that, like, the final attempt. They got strong above POC and then fucking flushed. Got a lot of people out for sure. So it was a good good trading day. I learned that follow what I think is gonna happen, and just, don't flip flop wishy washy. All right. Good day. All right. Peace.